Welcome to the flavorful world of Southern soul food baking, a tradition steeped in history and culture, passed down through generations. In this video, we'll be exploring the roots of soul food baking and its significance in Southern cuisine. From sweet pies to savory biscuits, these recipes tell stories of resilience, community, and the comforting power of home-cooked meals. Dive into the making of one of the staples of Southern soul food, cornbread. This simple, yet delicious dish has been a part of Southern meals for centuries. We'll reveal the secrets to achieving the perfect, fluffy texture and the golden crust that cornbread is famous for. You'll also learn about different variations and how they're served across the South. No Southern soul food baking session is complete without the sweet delight of sweet potato pie. This scene takes you through the traditional process of creating this beloved dessert, from boiling and mashing the sweet potatoes to mixing the perfect spice blend that captures the essence of the South. Witness the art of crafting the smooth filling and flaky crust that make each pie a celebration of flavor. Buttermilk biscuits are a breakfast favorite in Southern kitchens. In this part of our journey, learn the techniques that guarantee biscuits that are light, fluffy, and beautifully layered. Understand the importance of ingredients like cold butter and fresh buttermilk, and watch a seasoned baker demonstrate the folding technique that creates those irresistible layers. As our exploration of Southern soul food baking comes to a close, we reflect on the importance of preserving these traditional techniques. These recipes are more than just food. They are a heritage that fosters connection and comforts across generations. Join us in keeping the spirit of Southern baking alive by bringing a piece of this rich culinary tradition into your own kitchen.